Hi faculty. Once again, I'm recording a video for you. This is going to be really quick, but I have decided that originally I said that we weren't going to make the announcements invisible, but I've already started to have students reading ahead in the announcements and finding dates wrong or things wrong, so I guess we're not going to be able to do that. Fortunately, it's very easy to change the dates on the announcements, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to Announcements. And nope, not announcements. Go to course admin and then do manage dates. And then you want to do specific tools. Click announcements and apply filter. Now all the announcements are going to be listed here. Now the easy way to do this is to click on this bulk edit thing here. Then what I would do is go down and find the welcome announcement and make that visible. And in this class there's a required textbook announcement as well that I want to make visible. Then you go into bulk edit dates, and what you want to do is you want to set a start date hidden before start, and then just set it for some time in the future. You don't have to go far, like June 2nd is fine. And then save. Now all of these announcements will now be invisible except for the two that I set as a welcome. And to see that, you can go into your announcements page and you can click on your name and view as a learner. That's how the students see the class. And then you have to go back to the announcements page because the internet. And then you will see that only the required textbook and the welcome announcement are now visible to the student. So if you could please do that as well. And then a quick reminder, if you didn't see the last video I sent, please also make due dates for the discussion boards. To do that, you go into Course Manager, Course Admin, and you go to Discussions. Right here. I'm sorry, nope. This video is going to be longer than I thought. You go to Calendar, and you go to Set Dates, and then you go click on the arrow for the module, and then you click on the actual assignment, hit Add, and then you'll be able to go down, and here it will say no due date. It will look like this, and you go in and click it, and you set it for the date you want it to be due. So that's going to be due on the 13th, which is a Thursday, and then you set the closing date, and then you save that, and then now that will have a date on it. So if you go to Course Home, you will see that on January 13th, the first discussion board is done. So you can see how it's listing everything that's due in the class out for the student to see. Also, just a quick reminder to make sure that you post a welcome and then connect it to the welcome announcement. Now, you will need to change the start date for each announcement when you are about to post it. So you'll just change the start date. You can set to today's date. It's very easy to do. Let me show you that really quickly. If you want to see what that looks like, you just go into the announcements, and let's say that I want to make this video review. You would just click here, edit, and then you go down and you can change the start date by clicking here and then going down and say set as today. That will then allow the announcement to be visible for the students, and you'll do that for each one. Now you can go ahead and preset all the announcements to the right days if you want to, and then have them appear on those dates. I do believe there is a button that you can click to email it, but I don't know that that exists. So it's better just to then go back to the activity feed and post the announcement there just by attaching it to the, of course, announcement that you made. So see, I made this first announcement here, and then I've attached the announcement to it. All right, that's it. 4 minutes. Thank you. Good luck. Make sure your classes are set up. Students already have access We start on the 10th. I'm hoping for a great quarter in Brightspace.